Hello, Dr. Crypto here with another CRO update and a Tectonic update. So, well, I hope everybody's been enjoying these green candles. Yes, we've had a bit of a pullback, but it looks like we're starting to gradually push up again. And that it looks like a lot of people have been taking their profits, but there's been just strong, really strong buying power at the moment in the crypto industry. A lot of people have been buying up as these dips have been coming in because people see what could happen in the future. They've seen tokens like CRO going up 150% or so. But there has been pullbacks, obviously. But before I start, there's always got to bear in mind, in a bull market, it's not always green. You're going to get pushes up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100%, 200% up, but you're going to get pullbacks of up, 20% pullbacks, 30% pullbacks. So always bear that in mind. It's not always going to be green candles. There's going to be red candles there as well. It's like now, we've just had this around about 5% on Bitcoin pullback, and that's only 5%. And like I said, when I've experienced in the bull markets, we've had 20% pullbacks, but we've had about 30, 40% gains. 50% gains and so forth. So you just got to bear in mind, have risk management. So before I start, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. It's always much appreciated. So we see Cronos at the moment at position 30. That makes a change from being around about 34, 35 positions. So we're just at the moment, just below Filecoin, but we're doing quite well at the moment. There's lots going on with Crocoin, with the Crypto.com and the Cronos ecosystem as well. It's starting, because it got really boring, didn't it? We were there about 4.5 cents to 5 cents. It was just so boring. And then it was horrible through this 500-day bear market of so much FUD with Crypto.com for Crypto.com. But the Crypto.com have come out fighting the stronger than ever. And what they are doing is absolutely mind-blowing in my opinion. And this is why I have invested in CRO. And like I say, always videos, do your own due diligence. Don't always listen to people like me. Yeah, this is all for entertainment purposes. Do your own risk management. Don't put more money you're willing to lose. Just don't. But for me, I've been in these dips we've just had, I've been DCA here. But we can see CRO at position number 30. But, when you start to see, like here, you got Eric from Crypto.com. We're delighted to announce that Eric, president of Coup at Crypto.com, will join a panel to discuss AI and Web3. And this is at the Singapore FinTech Festival, which is today and over this past next couple of days. So they're getting out to these conferences. They're getting on there, having fireside talk, chats, giving presentations, getting out there to all these big companies. All these tech companies, banks, and such like, they're all there. They're there giving all about Crypto.com, telling who they are and why AI, why is crypto so important for the future of the financial system. And by doing that, this is getting Crypto.com out there. And this is, you've got the arena, you've got Paris Saint-Germain, the F1, UFC fighting. They're all, like I said, they're all there. It's Crypto.com is absolutely everywhere. I've got an icy white debit card. I use that all the time, shopping, whatever. Because I get me CRO, get me 3% back or whatever. So you get to see things like that. And then all the licenses, they're also building up. Crypto.com is proud to announce that we have been granted a virtual asset service provider. Licenses pending operational approval for Dubai's virtual assets and regulatory authority, building in our position in the UAE. And the UAE, lots of very wealthy individuals there, lots of big companies there. And it's like they're based in, with Crypto.com, based in Asia. Asia, it's just got money coming out their ears at that place. So Crypto.com have, over this bear market, has positioned them so well. They've positioned them so well, and the marketing has been one of the best in the crypto industry. And people say, no, it's a waste of money, this. It's a waste of money buying this arena. A waste of money. It isn't, because it's getting it out there. It's getting people to know Crypto.com. Everybody I see who are not really into crypto, I know them, Crypto.com. They all know it. Even my wife's got a debit card for crypto.com, and she's not particularly interested in crypto, but she's got the crypto.com card, and she uses it all the time. And it's like, it's getting, like I said, all this advertisement now, it's getting out there, and it's going to retail. It's all in retail's face, basically. And they're getting all these licenses as well, which is giving everybody all that confidence in crypto and the exchanges. So there's lots of going on. And also we've got that news, didn't we, with the World Economic Forum. And we can say here, Crypto.com admitted to the World Economic Forum, mass adoption soon. This is great for Crypto.com. Some people don't like it, some people do. But for me, I actually like it because what it's doing is, it's getting Crypto.com there in the World Economic Forum, and there's countries in there, like the US, who are very sceptical of crypto, and other countries too. But you've got Crypto.com in there, who hopefully will be able to educate these countries and start to change their mindset on crypto. Because, the scams in crypto, but the scams in fiat, the scams everywhere. So Crypto.com will be able to get in there, get in the thick of it, and educate those countries that are not so crypto friendly. And hopefully get them to change the way their mindset is, which is great for, like it says here, on mass adoption. It will do. At some point, countries are just going to take it, and they're going to have to create these regulatory clarity for crypto, like the UK is doing. The UK is creating more clarity in regulatory side of things, and hopefully it'll come to America, and America will wake up to crypto, and hopefully Crypto.com doing what they're doing could well do that. But also, just before we look at the charts for CRO, Tectonic, Tectonic, even with the pullback we had with CRO, Tectonic hasn't done it at all. They've basically had that long downward action, and then suddenly, as crypto popped, and Tectonic has up 53%, they've had a little pullback here, and then buying power came in and pushed it back up. This is on the 1 day. This is on the daily chart. So here we're up 53%. But actually, if we just do it from this point of view here, and actually go from here, it's 71%. So Tectonic is pushing up. Even with CRO coming back down, Tectonic is not playing that same game. It keeps on pushing up because, again, with Tectonic, there's a strong community in Tectonic. And I really do see, this bull market, Tectonic is going to explode. It really, really is. I really do think. Because at the end of the day, this is where we are. That's where Tectonic, because if we get the chart now, and do from when it was at the bottom, and push it up there, that's 1,334%. And that was back in February the 22nd. So that's when we were going in that bear market. So if you've been accumulating down there, congratulations to you. Because when this bull market does happen, could it go to all-time high? I can't be 100% sure on that. But there's a damn good chance that it could well do. And like I say, you can look at CRO at the moment. This is on the 4-hourly. We had this amazing, because like I said, we were in that around about 4.5 cents, the 5 cents market. It was so flipping boring. And then suddenly we just exploded, as Bitcoin did. We're up around about, say from there, about 142%. Yes, we had a retracement down of around about 30%, 26, around about 30%. So, but we're on this falling wedge now. So this falling wedge, and we can see here, we've started to basically break out. The oscillator is gradually starting to come out. You can see the money coming in here, and we're sort of coming around on the red, money coming out, which you can see here, and it looks like it's curving back up. So hopefully, as long as Bitcoin plays games and it wants to keep pushing up, obviously CRO is going to push up as well. But it won't take some more good news and for Crypto.com, for CRO to skyrocket again, because the volume's coming in. The buying volume's coming into crypto. The institutions are coming in. They're here, accumulating. Where retail gets scared, the institutions are not. And for me, when we had this dip, at around about this point here, I DCA'd in more. Saw it drop there, IP. And it's like all the gaming coins I've been, like POYR, Vulcan Forge, Gala, Filecoin, those kind of projects I've just been accumulating. And for me, I'm not taking profits yet. Obviously, I'm a long-term investor, so I'm waiting for these parabolic moves before I start to take profit. So I thought I'd do this quick update. I hope everybody's doing well. If you give us a thumbs up and a subscribe, it's always much appreciated, as always. And, hopefully, I'll do another video short soon. So, yeah, take care. Enjoy those green days, but always have a risk management. And don't forget, we have green days and we have red days. All right, take care, and we'll speak to you soon.